Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sexy people. Look at all you beautiful people in the chat. Why y'all so beautiful? Why y'all so beautiful? Good morning. Good morning. We are back. We're back. We had a little bit of news this morning, 8:30. Some news coming out there. Jobless claims or something like that. Some kind of job claims. Good morning. Good morning. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Look at you people. Oh, the familiar faces. The familiar faces. It's crazy how many people I see every morning here. I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning here on the West Coast, log on to YouTube, and then see all you beautiful people. You beautiful people. Well, market making some moves here. Market is making some moves. How y'all doing? Some guy, he says he's from India. Congratulations. You're from India. Stay in India. Is it too early for that? Is it too early for that? No, I love my Indians, but honestly, stay in India. Don't come to America. America's terrible. Whatever you do, don't come to America. You won't like it. Stay in India. We love you, but stay there. Let's go. What we got today? What we got? I don't know, man. What do we got? We got market moves. Getting ready here for a market open. Had a little bit of news this morning. What do I think? Is it NQ? Is it a long or is it a short? Which one do I think? Everybody always wants to know. Patrick, which way is it gonna go? I don't fucking know, man. I'm just some dumb redneck on the internet yelling and screaming about day trading every day. Looking here, we obviously have this big old, this is like that big candle where we pumped up on Tuesday, right? We're kind of pulling back into that hourly candle right now. This is the body of that candle. Terrible drawing here, but basically, you know, this is where we broke out at. This is kind of that whole body of that candle there. So we're pulling back into that huge breakout candle from Tuesday. That's when the market just went higher and higher and higher. Yesterday, we're pulling back. So the middle of that candle obviously being like right here. So I think there's something to be said about that, something to think about, right? Will the middle of that big ass candle, will that turn into support here? Will we find some buyers, or are we gonna keep on dripping down till the bottom, kind of that breakout of that candle? Right now, obviously, market moving back, kind of expected a big move like that. Market loves to kind of give back those big pops and those big drops. So I got something I gotta do today. I gotta request a payout here with Tradeify. That's right. Shout out to Tradeify right now. 40% off all accounts. 5-pack bundles. You guys want to request a payout with me? Y'all want to request a payout with me? You guys are down? You're down with that? Are you guys busy right now? You're busy? Let's do it. Let's do some payouts. All right, we got a $6,000 payout that we can request here. $1,500 per account. Why does it say I only have 4 accounts eligible? What the fuck? Where's my other account at? Oh, you motherfuckers. 0.4%. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. That is so gay. That is so gay. I didn't even, son of a bitch. That is so gay. 0.4%. So I guess we'll request these payouts now. And then I guess we got to trade the other account. So payout submitted. $6,000. God. You son of a bitch. That is so stupid. All right, well, I mean, I guess we got to make like $100. Make $100 on those accounts now. So on that other account, the one that I didn't get payout on, that account is, let me see what account that is. That is, it ends in 25. All right, so 25. How much do we need to? We need to make like what? $200, $300. Just try a quick trade right here, make $300. Can we do it? Is it possible? $300 is what we need to make. Famous way to blow the account. Yeah, you're right. Let's try it. Trying to blow this account, right? I only need to make 300. See if we get a little bounce back up here. Oh god. Oh god. We took out the London low so far. Just looking for like a little bounce for a quick couple $100. Actually, like 150 maybe would be enough. $66 is up there. What's popping? Try to make a little bit of money here. A little bit of trouble there. Trying to secure this payout here. I think if we make 150, we should be good. Kind of like we swiped already this low from earlier, so we'll see if we get a little bit of a pushback up there. Pre-market action. So close, but yet so far. Oh, buddy. Hey, is day trading not the best job ever? Is day trading not the best job ever? You know? I literally was like, hey, I need to make $150. You know? I said, hey, I need to make $150. And, well, there we go. The payout secured, I think. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I think we're good now. Yep. Under the payout threshold now. You do, I mean, it is crazy. Crazy to think about. Press one little button, make a little bit of money real quick. It says we're reviewing your payout, so we got 60 minutes here. Lucid payout, trying to, sorry, Lucid. Tradeify payout. All right, we'll come back to that in a little bit. We got our Tradeify payout under review here. Says we approve. They on their website it says that we approve most payouts within 1 hour. So we'll see what happens in 1 hour. You got 1 hour, Brent Simba. You got 1 hour. Are you copy trading? Yeah, I copy trading. I'm a copy trader. What can I say? Hey Patrick, are you live funded with any of the prop firms? No, I don't make money, sir. This is my first time trading. Do you trade micros or minis? I trade nanos. Want to buy some Pokemon cards with the $6,000 a day? Don't you tempt me with a good time, sir. Do not do it. Dude, I mean, that ain't that's, if you think about it, if I buy 2 Pokemon cards for 5,000, that means that I still, you know, then I'm still up. Right? I'm still up. I'm still up. We'll see what happens. Nano, what the fuck is that? Well, they actually just came out in Nano. I thought they had. Am I living in the wrong timeline? Because I thought they had nano contracts before. You know? I thought didn't they have nano contracts before? Yeah, they did, right? I swear they had nanos before. But everyone's like, oh, they're bringing it back. Huh. All right, $400 Pokemon rip real quick. I'm in a good mood right now. All right, I'm just gonna do one real quick. Don't get mad at me, chat. Don't get mad at me. Just gotta do one real quick. I gotta feel the pain. $400. $400 paid. Here we go. $400 paid here. Oh God, don't make it hurt. Oh God. Oh, is that a good one or a bad one? Oh, it never works. Never. Only 300. We're already down $100 on the day. We made 150, so we're like break even. We're break even right now. All right, we're break even on the day right now. We're break even, chat. All right, well, going into open, kind of like I said, right? This is what we're looking at. We got this big hourly candle that popped up there on Tuesday where, dude, there's a bird. He's just looking in the window at me. There's a bird just over there in the window just looking over at me. What's he? Little birdie, what are you doing? Little bird? Little birdie? Little bird. There's a little bird over there, Jack. Oh. Nasdaq moving down here, 340s now. So the middle of that big hourly candle, we'll see what happens there. That's a robot spy. The market makers, man. The fucking market makers. The market makers. Oh, I wanted to show you guys some something new, something fresh. If you're tuning in right now, you're the first people in the world to see it, at least live on YouTube. So this is gonna be the new, well, I want to say new, but this will be my trading floor here on the West Coast. We've got, this is the lobby. Can you see it very good? I don't know. This is the lobby. Got a little hole over there to put Denny. Denny can live in the hole. He's a Lorax. This is the front office that I'm gonna set up for streaming. And then back here is where all the fun activities happen. I'm gonna put like a trading desk, a couple cars, a couple other trading desks. Have maybe like a couple couches, a couple hangout spots. I'm trying to figure out what to do with like the paint and stuff. Like what do I want to do, you know? How do I want to make it look in there? I don't know. I gotta see. La 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 la. Do a mural? We'll still have the East Coast BDH. Still gonna have the East Coast BDH. Don't worry. Yeah, it's an Irvine. Underground illegal party vibes. Exactly. That's what I'm going for. Illegal parties. Let me do installation flooring for you. I'm probably just gonna keep the concrete flooring, to be honest. So. Put some rugs in there. Put a couple desks. Put the GTR. Put the Porsche. Put the 911. A couple cars in there. Maybe a ping pong table. Lucas is actually going to be, if you guys remember Lucas is going to come out to California on the 16th of this month. And he's going to spend like 2 weeks with me. I'm going to be mentoring him, teaching him, making him better. Making him better. So, lots of fun stuff happening. We're getting ready here for market open. Got about 12 minutes. Yep, Lucas. He gets to come live with me. I'm going to turn Lucas into a real heathen. When I'm done with that boy, he's going to be a real heathen. You said mentoring is gay. It is gay. But I'm gay for Lucas. What can I say? Are you staying in Cali for good? No. No. Not staying. Do you get to hear the mentoring? Yeah, I mean, me and Lucas are going to trade live on YouTube together and all that fun stuff, so. PW, teach me. I will quit my job and fly to you now. I will fly to you now. Sounds like a hot and horny woman right there. Sounds like a hot and horny woman. Yeah, we might have to get Lucas a haircut. I told him he's got to get a mohawk. No more broccoli head. I know a barber. I know a barber. I know a barber, chat. Don't worry. I know a barber. Where's Lucas at? Why is he not in the chat right now? What's he doing? He's sleeping or some shit. Denny needs a haircut? Yeah, he does. Maybe we can cut some of Lucas's hair off and do that. So D-Money's going to hold down Florida. I mean, D-Money, Denny's there. Ginger's there in Florida. I'm actually going to be back in Florida after I have another race coming up. I'll be back in Florida for, what is that? September? Yeah, I'm back in Florida in September, so. We got a race next week, and then we got a race at the beginning of September, so. I'll be back in Mexico end of this month, getting ready for the Baja 400. Baja 400. I'm excited. The Baja 400, man. It's a big one for us. We gotta go big. We gotta go big. Baja 400, you know? Just, I want to get excited for it. Look at this thing. Boo! That's gonna be me. Wee! Wee! Man, I can't wait. Racing through the desert, it's fun, man. It truly is. People don't understand. It's hard to understand. You know, like you see it, you're like, Patrick, this is so stupid. What are you doing? No, it's so fun. I can't wait. It is fun. Look forward to it. But next week, we got a race from Reno to Vegas. We're racing from Reno to Vegas. It's like a 7-8 hour race through the desert. We're going to be racing through the night. A lot of dust, a lot of bullshit. So, this looks like it's actually in, that's in Johnson Valley out here in California, actually. This is not even, yeah, that looks like it's Vegas right there. Mint 400, that's Baja. Look at that, people almost get ran over. It's crazy. These people are... Mexico is crazy. People in Mexico are crazy, man. Oh, I can't wait. I got a new wrap for the trophy truck coming out as well. Ooh. So much to do, so little time. And that's like you're racing on top of people too. Like it's a lot of fun. This one, oh god. Some gnarly. I do like. Oh, there's some good, dude. There's some good wrecks in here. Oh god, blew the whole front end off. She gone. She gone. We got the market coming up here in about 7 minutes. I want to watch like one good crash, and then we're back to the market here. Oh, what's this? Oh god. Oh god. It's the weirdest thing when you flip over and you're rolling too, because like it happens so quickly that you're not really even aware of it, to be honest. Like it kind of just like happens, and then you like stop and you're like, oh fuck. Oh, this one's a good one. Oh yeah, you went under him. Dude went under him. He got barreled. What the fuck? Got barreled, man. Oh god. Yeah, that's where you don't want to do right there. Oh yeah, that happens. That's what you don't want to do. But what's crazy is like you flip over and you know, you're just kind of right back to it. Just kind of right back to it. Oh god. Dude, it's gnarly. Like, look at the passenger. He's just like, okay. Okay. There's the dirt. And then the hard part is like getting out of the seat when you're upside down, because you gotta like hold your body up and stuff. Oh yeah. People be like, you want to do this, Patrick? And you have fun doing this? I'm like, well, I mean, yes. Look at that. That was a good one right there. Oh my god. Look at this. Yes. Where's that last one at? Oh my god. Shoo. And don't worry, it's only like a $500,000 truck, so you know, if you crash it, who cares, right? Who cares? Who cares? All right, we're back to the market here after this last crash right here. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. This is gonna be like the market today. Going wee, aboo, aboo. Oh god. Yeah. Gnarly. Some of the trucks are all-wheel drive, some are two-wheel drive. Do you get insurance on a trophy truck? Oh, there is zero insurance, sir. They don't have insurance for off-road trucks. It's a $500,000 truck. But luckily, Rhino Pills is my new sponsor. What makes the trophy truck so expensive? Just a lot of engineering, a lot of custom parts, you know, a lot of stuff. But I mean, the new ones are like, they're like $1 million. Like if you want to buy like the best of the best, it's like $1 million minimum for a trophy truck. That's like an all-wheel drive crazy one. So, all right, so going into open here, we are selling. We have a gap to the upside, right? That's that 29,600 level. That's where we closed at yesterday. Do we continue straight down here, or will we get a bounce to try to push back up towards that gap, right? Is that possible? So we'll see what happens. A lot going on. I kind of feel like there's a bounce coming, but I might be wrong. Right? I might be wrong. We'll see how we go. PW, are you going to show Lucas learning how to trade on YouTube? Oh, yeah, buddy. Live. I'm going to teach him how to trade bull flags and bear flags. None of that broccoli head bullshit. Aren't you afraid of getting into an accident? I mean, life is short, my friend. The nice thing about the trophy trucks is if you do get into an accident, You know, you got a roll cage, you got the safety gear, you got the neck brace, the helmet, you've got everything, right? You've got all the stuff that keeps you safe. So, you know, we wear fire suits, we wear a neck brace, we wear a helmet. You know, everything is as safe as possible. And the actual, like the roll cage, like the reason that the truck is so expensive is because the roll cage. Do you have AC in the truck? No AC. So, is it expensive to maintain? Yeah, it costs about $100,000 to get the truck ready for the race. Every race, I would say, is about 100 grand minimum. For me, it's probably like 200 grand because I got the helicopter, I got like 10 people, got multiple chase trucks, and all that stuff. The helmet is cooled though, correct? Kind of not. You know? Does the wind cool you down? No, because the wind, it's hot as fuck. The wind's like, it's like an oven. We got a minute here till market opens. Here we go, buddy boy, 2 minutes. I would like to see some kind of pushback up here, to be honest, at open. What kind of mileage do you get? You get like 2 miles to the gallon, maybe a mile to the gallon, depends on how hard you're going. Depends on how hard you're going. Do, 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 do. You have to be insanely fit. Well, duh. What motor's in it? It's like a small block LS motor. Is it just bragging? Yeah, there's no money in trophy truck racing. Zero money. What's your biggest problem in life, PW? Just can't last long enough. That's my biggest problem. I can go hard in the paint, but I just can't last long enough, if you know what I mean. For some reason, I always come first. All right, we got 30 seconds here till market opens. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm scared. I'm scared, chat. Robbie Gordon jumping his trophy truck back in 1998. You gotta love it. All right, so we're seeing if we get a little bit of a push up here. After all that selling pressure, I'm gonna try a quick long right there and see if we squeeze straight up here now. We need to hold this 340 level or we're in trouble. She's trying, but trouble. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's see. Might have to jump out of this, chat. This is not looking good here. Oh god, we're swiping the lows now. Try to add right there for this push. Come on. Push it up. Give me that reaction here, chat. Squeeze it, Nasdaq. Man. Looks like she's gonna be not doing it. Holding on for dear life down here, but probably gonna lose this here. And oh my lord, straight down. She's gone. God damn it. No bounce. Straight down there. 277 now. Oh, that sucks. Just did not want to bounce there, did it? Yeah, those were take profit trader evals. Just being retarded there, clearly. Straight down, baby Jesus. I thought we might get a little push up there, so clearly did not get it. Clearly. 250s now, straight down, Lieutenant Dan. God damn it. The worst part about the take profit evals too is that you got 5 days. So it's like now you got to wait another 5 fucking days to get them passed. You know. Are we gonna squeeze back up now? Is this gonna be the squeeze back up here now? Try this long again. Ugh. Shorts only. Short only. Try to get back up there above that 300 level. Was thinking we might get a little yank this morning, and well, we got it. Right back up. Classic. So classic. There she goes. Yeah, these are new evals. Wow. That sucks. Go for the 100 points here on this last contract, I guess. I was just a little too early for that dip at open. The dip buy. A little too early. Let's see if we get back up into this like 400 level next. We got a pivot point up there. Look at that opening move too. That, I mean, I just need to be a little bit more patient there at open. If we'd have been a little bit more patient and tried to buy that dip down to the bottom, we would have been right in the money, right? Right in the money there. Go for this 400 break now. That's over 100 points off these lows. Just saying. No big deal, but... God damn it. That was it, man. That was the pump. So stupid. Look at that. That's exactly what I wanted to see happen, but needed to wait. We retested that bottom of that breakout candle, just like we talked about pre-market. Kind of pulled right into there, so. Shoulda waited, coulda, shoulda, woulda, woulda, shoulda, woulda, woulda. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Can we get some W's? One losing trade, one winning trade. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. I mean, that might have been a sizing issue as well. I might have sized in too big there. That would have also maybe been the problem with that trade at the open, but yeah, it got all the way down there to 240, up there to the 450s now. So you can see we're up 3,000 in those accounts now. Will this momentum continue? If we get another like pullback, I might try to like take one more little scalp just to get those accounts to like 3,500. We're gonna break out through 450s next. Looks like it. Got the VWAP up there. I think if we can pull like maybe 390s again. It's kind of holding right there above 400 now. Is there more momentum? Someone said, what are you not seeing? Why did the market go up in a red, when the red candles and red market, why did the market bounce there? Well, I think if you look bigger picture here, that was kind of a key level. There's that 400 swipe. I'm watching for a possible long in this area, off this EMA possibly area here. So see how this little candle right now, like basically, I think if this candle like flips back above 420, we should have more momentum to the upside there. You got a little bit of time here, 20 seconds on this candle. Let's see how it closes. Right now, it's kind of looking indecisive, but if it starts to push back up here, it should be momentum to the upside there. See, they're trying to put a wick in there below 400. You got 5 seconds left on this candle now. Not really getting that wick that we wanted. We want to see, I like to see a wick down and then a straight push back up there. See, there's that little bit of a wick. All right, I'm trying this long. I'm going for like a quick 10 points. I don't need much. Or 20 points. We'll take 20 points here. Beautiful. All right, so there we go. 3,500 on the day. We don't really need to make anything more than that, so we can go ahead and just lock out these accounts. La 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 la. Oh, I don't need that one. 1, 2. How many? That's 5 accounts, right? Yeah. All right, those are locked out. There you go. So again, why did I go long there? Like you can see, we're kind of watching those candles, right? It pulls back. And it's like you get that little wick, kind of swipe this previous low. We get long there at 404. That's 50 points to the upside there. So W's in the chat, please. W's in the chat. It's still pumping 450s now. W's in the chat, please. Thank you very much. Still pumping right back up there. VWAP coming up next. So this is kind of interesting. If we go back and let's replay the pre-market move. Right, we talked about this big hourly candle. This is from Tuesday, right? Big hourly candle. And we were talking about this idea like, okay, you know, where are we going to pull back into? And well, look, we pulled back right to that breakout level at open. I was looking for a long. I was just too aggressive. But you can see that's kind of what my vision was there. We do have a gap fill, 29,600. Was that gap fill to the upside. So we talked about all this before the market even opened. If you're just now tuning in, congratulations, you missed out on the game plan. But hey, we're here, we're doing it live. So, I mean, fuck. Look at that. 280 up to the 450s now, but you can kind of see what we were looking for. What? What's it all about? But check it out. We haven't even had the 15-minute range forms yet. We're right up there to the VWAP for now. Right to the VWAP for now. Right, so let's see what happens from here. We got a big wick on the bottom, big wick on here, another wick over here. Anything's possible, right? Anything. And I mean anything, my friends. Anything. You want to pop a couple rhino pills, sit there, rock hard, and trade? Hey, whatever you're into, man. I don't judge. We don't judge here at the BDH. If being rock hard while trading is what you're into, that's, you know, hey, who am I to say that you're wrong to do that? Who am I to say, you know? Who am I to say? Who am I to say? I have a bunch of Apex accounts, some funded accounts I need to activate, actually. I've been so busy, man, working. Y'all don't even know. I just been out there working every day. I just been out there working every day, man. I just been working every day, man. Still pumping 450s now. The 15-minute range is about to be set. You got less than a minute. Right there to the VWAP now. Why the millionaire has to work so hard? I want to be a billionaire, son. I want to be a billionaire. That's my plan. I want to be a billionaire. Fuck being a millionaire. You know what's cool? Being a billionaire. Who the fuck just wants to be a millionaire? I'm trying to spend all my money to become a billionaire. All right, well, as we talked about earlier, Nasdaq straight to the moon now. It just had to fuck around at open. Just had to fuck around at open, you know. So the high, not the high, sorry, the close from yesterday, 29,600. Is that a doable target? Is that reachable? I think so. I mean, you got to think the market's been very bullish the last few days. You don't want to you don't want to get too overly bearish here. To be honest, the only way to be a billionaire is to become corrupt. Nah, man. What do you mean? I ain't got to be corrupt. Use the code PW. Help me become a billionaire. Oh, man. If I could get 1 billion people to use... If I get 1 billion people to use the code PW, well, then I'd be a billionaire. Are you still going to trade today? Yes. Wait, I want to get above the VWAP here. We're right there at that resistance, right? VWAP. This is that. The yellow lines on the chart is the hourly candle from the other day that we were looking at. Just so you kind of understand the body, the breakout, the middle, kind of, and then obviously the top. So if you want to get long, you kind of want to see this breakout here. Get like above the VWAP. I mean, maybe 500, you know, would be ideal. So see what happens. My Fun and Futures got a deal going on right now. The rapid end of day plan. Rapid end of day. It's 20% off. If you're a brand new user, it's 50% off. I told Matt L, I said, I identify as a new user, sir. Just because I blew 1,000 evals does not mean I'm not a new user. Okay, I'm a new user. It's a new day, new user. All right? Give me a discount, damn it. Market's still pumping. 490s, 500 coming up here. Your hourly candle looking very fucking bullish right now. Look at this thing. Like we said, right through the VWAP now. Your 15-minute range breaking out here. Breaking out. 15-minute range now, which is funny because this is actually pretty funny, right? The hourly candle from the other day is now our 15-minute range. The body from that hourly candle on Tuesday was our 15-minute range. Is that interesting or is that just a coincidence? We're going to find out. There's the pump above 500 now. You've got 600 area being that dotted line. That's the gap fill potential. So Interesting, right? Very interesting. $2 million a month takes you 41 years to become a billionaire. Well, sir, I need to bump my numbers up. Clearly, my numbers need to be bumped up here, chat. Hey, can we just agree on one thing? I wasn't wrong. I was just early, okay? I wasn't wrong. I was just early this morning on that trade. So the long from the 280s up there to the 500s now. I mean, hey, I can't be perfect, okay? I can't be perfect. But what a beautiful trade. Look at that. Still going. Still going. Do you want a billion net worth or liquid? I want a billion net worth, sir. A billion. Still pumping. Look at this thing. All the bears this morning getting fucked. Shit. Kai Muriel. Dude. So wait. You think there's a connection? You think there's a connection between how long I last in bed and how long my trades last? Sir, I never thought about this. I even said before market open, I have a hard time lasting. Today I went early and I came too quick. Came way too early. Way too early. Way too fucking early. Right now, Nasdaq's still pumping. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. That he got a good point there. I definitely came too early today. Definitely. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I did it for sure. Still pumping 533s now. Man, now we're not gonna get a pullback. Now it's just gonna go forever and never pull back. You gotta love it, you know. You do have to love it sometimes. Sometimes it just. How do you not come fast? No, I do come fast. That's my problem. That's what I'm saying, sir. My issue here is that I came too fast. You know, that's the problem. I'm a coming. Coming too fast. All right, I mean, fuck, man. This is always the biggest pain in the ass sometimes. Like, you take profit on the first move, and then you're like, okay, what do I do now? Well, I mean, realistically, you're like, maybe I should just be patient, right? That's the story of my life. You have like one good trade at open, and then you know. Some guy in the chat said that he came late. Sir, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, man? This is such a wholesome song right here. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. All right, I'm looking for some kind of pullback here. Some kind of pullback, you know, would be ideal. Some kind of pullback, right? Just some kind of pullback here. We got the 15-minute range. The high is what, 475. We need like a better bull flag. Maybe we reach out, hit like 460 area, and then we pump from there. 5-minute chart, you got a minute left here. We're going into the hourly candle close. A retest of like the 70 area would be great, right? That would definitely be great, but you don't always get it like that. You could maybe try the fucking long, like right here, but you want more retest. Do we try the long for the pump? Is it going to pump in the last 5 minutes to the hourly candle close or what? Oh no. No pump yet. Let's get a retest. Let's get a retest. I want a retest. 470. Come on, give me that 470 bounce. We're holding that EMA right now, but I feel like 5-minute chart needs a little retest of like 470s. Holding 500s there. Ugh. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. We got about five minutes here till the hourly candle closes. Hourly candle looking pretty strong. Got a big wick on the bottom, little wick on the top so far. You got 5 minutes till the close there. Can they pump this higher? I feel like 600s is doable today to fill that gap. Just need to see if we can get this bull flag to form here. There's that new 5-minute candle. Can we pull back to the 460s and then try to get a little push up? If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, don't be afraid. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We got 4,500 people watching. Guys, this is the most watched live stream on YouTube for futures trading. Isn't that amazing? It's so amazing. I love it. All right, so I guess if we get back above 520, I'm going to try a long, try to get this pump to the highs. So there it is trying. That would be my entry candle right here. I was actually a little early there, but can we get the pump? La 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 la. We got 10 Apex accounts here, 10 Apex, 50Ks. See this last 5-minute candle. 5 minutes of this hourly candle can pump us higher. Squeeze out them shorts, baby. Squeeze them, daddy. Squeeze them. Oh, it looks really good. There it is, chat. 540s. I want to see at least a new high happening here. I might be greedy, but we'll see. If you take profit, take profit. 20 points is 20 points. 20 points is, oh God. Nope. 20 points, should have taken it. Fuck. There you go, chat. Perfect example of greed. Perfect example of the greed. Instead of taking 20 points, gonna get stopped out for fucking 40 points. You do have to love it sometimes. Just absolutely rejected right there. It had so much potential. It really did want to go, didn't it? We got 3 minutes here until the hourly candle close. Can we save this still? Can the market save me? I might just, if it pops up here, I might just take profit pretty quick. If I can just get out for like a green little pop here just to get out of this trade. I don't like when it starts to do this kind of bullshit. Oh my, see, I can't even get filled. Fuck me. 5-minute candle still has potential to go. We got 3 minutes left on this hourly candle now. Come on, Nasdaq, surprise us. Surprise us with the pump right here. Where is the pump at? Why do you not want to pump? Surprise us with the pump. She's like rounding out the bottom here. We got 2 minutes left on this hourly candle. Can we get a pump in these last 2 minutes? Come on, Nasdaq. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. Be my friend. I thought we were friends, Nasdaq. I thought we were friends. And stuck. And stuck. Pump, 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 pump. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it right there. 34s. I'm out. I'm over it. It's gonna pump all the way to the moon now. Get ready, chat. It's gonna pump to the goddamn moon. Now that I took profit, don't worry. All right, I'm out from the 16s. I got out there the 34s. That was $3,000, like almost $4,000 in profit there, but it's just getting stuck here. We're gonna have to wait till this hourly candle to close probably. NQ has loyalty to no one. Fuck that. NQ is my bitch. You my bitch, NQ. ES also kind of popped up, very similar to the Nasdaq. The ES is actually green on the day right now, so the ES is back above the close from yesterday. Nasdaq still hanging out below. I still think there's room to the upside here. It's gonna pump now, watch. Fucking pump. Oh my God. You gotta love it. You do have to love it sometimes. Kind of a weird area here, huh? Another pump to the 560s, trouble there. I mean, I'm gonna try this long to go to 580s. Trying to target that 600 level up there. Kind of a FOMO entry there. Wow, just rejects all the way back down again. You do have to love it sometimes. The fake out is real here. This is what happens when you play around with the chop. You get chopped. You know what they say? Play with the chop, you get chopped. Yeah, stopped out there. Right back to the 500s again. Chop, chop city there. Why me? Why me? Look at that. Bounces right off 500. No, the accounts are not blown. They just hit the daily loss limit there. Now it's gonna pump again. I'm gonna try, I got another account. Try two more. I forgot there's a $1,000 daily loss limit on Apex now. I haven't traded with Apex in a minute. I forgot. She's just holding up here right above 500. But no, those were funded accounts. Those were the funded accounts there that has got daily loss limit. And here goes the plan. Pump it back up again. I mean, 5-minute chart, you know, you just like the problem right now is this like chop here. As long as 480s holds, I mean, the bulls are still in control. Just everything's stuck. ES is stuck. Nasdaq's stuck. Just can't get out of here now. Yeah, back down to 500 again. Wow. Stopped out again. All right, well, I guess we're going to have to be patient here. I'm going to have to be patient here. We had all that momentum at open, and then absolute dud. Absolute dud here now. Just chop around at 500. Maybe shorts are the play. I would not short above the 15-minute range here, above the VWAP, above the EMA. That would be very dumb. That would be very dumb to try to short right there. But obviously, going long has also been very dumb. So I'm gonna try this long one more time. We might just get chopped out one more time. Ugh. Not even for a 30-point pullback? I mean, why though? You're gonna short? You're gonna try to short for a 30-point pullback? I don't know. I mean, I don't think that's a good idea, but maybe try it. I don't know. I just be worried that this might just fucking go straight up 100 points. You never know. I mean, I don't know. We're gonna get stopped out again. God damn it. $1,000 drawdown with only. With 2 minis is very difficult. Just holding here. It's gonna move heavy in one direction. Someone said, "Yeah, no, I mean, you're not wrong. You are not wrong." So, why not size up on M and Q instead of NQ? I mean, I don't know. So like I said, this is not a good spot to get short at, right? Why would you short right above the... We just broke the opening range. We have the VWAP there. We have the EMAs. I mean, I would not get short there. Well, there you go. A pump to the 580s now. The gap fill puts us up to the 620s. So I'm going to put one target right there, 580, and then look for like 600s next. And someone said, why not short for 30 points? Well, I mean, maybe. Maybe. If I would have traded with only micros today, I would not have one losing trade. So maybe I need to trade micros. Maybe. Maybe. Did my payout get paid out yet? Oh, buddy. There we go. There we go. We're rich. We're rich. We just got paid out with Tradeify. Shout out to Tradeify. Rich, rich, rich. I'm so happy. I can't deny it. I can't deny it. I feel alive. So I requested these payouts from these 50K accounts. They got the 5-pack bundle going on right now. So the 5-pack bundle gets you an additional discount. The 40% off, use the code PW, but we just got paid out after trading in these 50K accounts with Tradeify. You can see, well, my results here. Trading these accounts, I actually had a red day. Day one was a red day trading these accounts. So you can see sometimes first day in the funded account is red. It happens, but we got it done. Trying to average like $1,300, $1,000 a day in these accounts with a consistency. And today we have not traded these yet because we just got the payout. So payout has been secured. We had another account that had like a weird consistency thing, but we're good to go now. So don't worry, daddy's here. Nasdaq still pumping. Like I said, no reason to get fucking short down there, but no one ever listens to me. Nobody ever listens to me, but maybe they did. Did you guys listen to me? Did you listen to me, chat? Are you listening? All right, very quickly, once again, I want to recap while we're here together. Why was that not a good short? Everybody said, Patrick, why not go short? Well, let's recap. 15-minute opening range, right? 15-minute opening range is set. You have the VWAP there. You have the EMAs. There's no reason to get short, especially with this gap fill potential. 616 is the gap fill. We're not far from there. The market sold off overnight. The open big pump, we had the previous day, that breakout level that we were watching. Look at that. We held that level. We broke out. We're up there to that EMA, to the gap fill. I mean, it ain't always easy, guys. Sometimes you got to get fucked a few times before you come, if you know what I mean. So I'm just saying, sometimes you do have to do it to do it. You know what I mean? And look at that. Sometimes I can't believe it, man. I cannot believe it. Look at this. We got long at open. It dumped. We got long down there at the 280s. It is now almost 600. Where are all my haters at? Where are all my haters at? If you're making money with the BDH, let me know. Let me know. I can't believe this, man. This is the hardest part about trading, right? We got stopped out on some longs. We got back into the longs, and here we are. Making money, baby. Let's go. Nasdaq pumping. Are we going to get filled for another 100 points? Is that 200-point trades today? Is that 200-point trades today, chat? I'm not good at math, but I think it is. I think it is. God. Boo! Hopefully that was a good recap for everybody to understand what we were looking at there at open and why we were not looking for shorts today. Why were we not looking for shorts? Everyone's got that understanding now? Everybody understands that? All right, well, there you go. Gap has been filled. Almost to my target now. That's 100 points either way. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. For the guy earlier that said, Patrick, why not get short for 30 points down? I said, well, why not get long for 100 points up? You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Chet? Exactly. Exactly. I had to do a call this morning. I had to do a meeting this morning at like 5:30, and these with guys, some of my partners and stuff in Florida, and it's funny because they're like, "Man, how do you have so much energy right now?" I said, "Motherfucker, I wake up in the morning, rock hard, ready to go. I take my rhino pill, and then I go on the stream, and then I just fucking come on everybody. I come everywhere. I come all over this market. I come all over this market." Some of the chat goes, "What the fuck?" Imagine being a first-time viewer to this live stream. Like, imagine being a first-time viewer. You know, like, what are you thinking if you're a first-time viewer? You know, like, what the fuck are you thinking? You're probably like, what in the fuck is this guy talking about? Oh man. Honestly, honestly, I impress myself sometimes. I'm gonna move this target up a little bit just because. I mean, we're right there, so if we're gonna go higher, we should at least push a little higher than that through the 620s next. Hey Patrick, I see the gap on the QQQ chart, but not on NQ. Is my settings wrong? Your settings are not wrong, my friend. The issue is that obviously the Nasdaq trades all night long. So for your gap, all you have to do is go on TradingView, right? Go on TradingView, go to scales and lines, right? Go to scales and lines, go right here to previous day close, put a line on there, right? Put a line on there. And look, bam. Now you always know where the market closed out the previous day. So if you're trading and you're like, hey, are we at resistance? Where are we at? What are we doing? Well, there you go. You have your previous day. It's free, by the way. You don't have to pay for anything. Just go on TradingView, scales and lines, scroll down, previous day close, rock and roll, baby. Rock and roll. PW, I'm up all night, traded Asia and London, and there are people live. TBM is copying you, but he has 23-hour live. I mean, TBM is not copying me. He is not. If TBM is copying me, then I'm doing something wrong because TBM gets like 5 viewers, so I'm not worried about it. You know, nothing against Trades by Matt, but right now he's got 600 viewers watching him stream. I mean, I could literally sit here and just jerk off and have more viewers than that, and not in a gay way, but just like I'm just saying, like I could literally sit here and jerk myself off live on YouTube, and I would have way more viewers than that. Okay, way more. You know, you want me to test the theory? Okay. All right, guys, get ready. We have 4,000 people watching right now. 4,300 watching literally right now. So shout out to all the real ones in the chat. You freaky freaks. It would double my viewership if I jerked off. I don't know. It might get a little weird. What do I think about Matt Kors? Guys, I don't think about other men. You guys always be asking me questions about other influencers. I ain't thinking about them. I'm making money, guys. Don't worry about the other influencers because they are nowhere near my level of excellence. All right? Nowhere near my level of excellence. There you go. 620 is breaking. I don't want to toot my own horn here, but I hopefully I say the guy that wanted to get short there at the 500 level, hopefully I helped him not do that. You know, hopefully. I'm hoping that I was a good influence on him, and even if he doesn't, you know, listen to me, at least he was like, maybe it's not a good idea to get short. Maybe it's a good idea not to get short. You know, maybe, Patrick. Maybe. 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 Is that a W? There you go. From the 24s, we took profit at 79. We took profit at 640. So, I mean, I mean, that's 200-point trades today. 200-point trades, right? 200-point trades. We got long there at open. 283 held the final all the way to 410. That's over fucking. That's over. That's over 100 points. All right, it's over 100 points. Hey, once again, I do want to thank everybody here in the stream. I want to thank you guys for supporting the stream, for giving me a reason to live, right? You guys give me a reason to do what I do. I wake up in the morning, not because I'm trying to become a billionaire, but I wake up because at the end of the day, the people that support me, right? The people that are here every day, I want you to win. I want to win. You want to win. We want to win together, right? That's what it's all about. Right? I can make money. You can make money. We can all make some money, honey. Oh, man. I'm a cartoon character sometimes. Oh, I can be a fucking cartoon character. I could be a fucking cartoon character. And also I want to say something too, you know, not to throw shade at the other streamers that are out there, but people will be like, Patrick, you know, so-and-so never loses. You know, so-and-so never has a red day. Trust me, guys, they have red days. They just don't show you, right? That's the truth. They won't show you the losses, right? They don't show you the fucking losses. Where at least with me, you know, if I'm going to blow an account, you're going to see it. Right, you're gonna see me blow that motherfucking account. All right, like you're like, fuck, you blew it. Right, like you at least you get to see it, right? Because anybody can sit online and talk about in hindsight, be like, this does nothing for you, right? There's absolutely zero value. You know, this is zero value for you to tune in and watch a video on YouTube of a guy who's like, all right, so this is what I did today, guys. You know, they'd be like, they turn the music down and be like, okay, so I want to give you guys a trade recap here. So this morning, the market opened, and I think I got long. Yeah, no, I got long. It was right around, I got long like right here. Yeah, no, I got long right here. Yeah, 300. And then the market went up. You can see the market went up, and then I took profit, right? That don't do nothing for you. Because again, we did exactly that same thing, right? We took longs and had the same target, everything. But guess what? Well, we got chopped up. There were some choppy little spots. You know, that's what your mentor, he ain't talking about. That does nothing for you. You're not seeing the actual emotion. You're not seeing the realness. If you're tuning in to some guy on the internet who's like, today, look at this market, guys. It was so easy to trade. Right? The market was so easy. All you had to do was get long right there and then sell right here. Easy. Buy my course. Right? That's what they'll do too. That is exactly what these motherfuckers will do. They're going to gaslight you. They're going to fucking gaslight you into thinking that you're retarded. I think a lot of influencers out there think that their fans are retarded. Now, I know that some of my people in my chat are retarded. Like legally, they're retarded because they're actually retarded. But I don't think you guys are retarded. Right? I don't think you guys are retarded. Are you? Can I do a quick poll? I need to find out who's retarded, who's not. You retarded? I mean, but think about it. Like ICT truly, he actually believes that his followers are retarded. Because if he can sit there with a straight face and tell his followers that fucking, he created the algorithm that moves the market, he is laughing at his followers, right? Like you'd have to be absolutely retarded. We got a poll in the chat. We're trying to see who's retarded here today. Okay, who's retarded today? The poll is retarded. That's funny. Oh man. Oh man. I can't stop laughing. Oh, man. That was a good one. That was a good one. All right. Well, Nasdaq's still pumping here. What a day. What a day, boys. I'm pretty happy, to be honest. Like, I had a good, had a little, we had a little bit of pain. We blew a couple evals. We hit max daily loss limit on a couple of Apex accounts. We made some money. We got some payouts. I mean, that's all it is, right? At the end of the day, the goal here is to get payouts. You're going to blow some accounts along the way. You're going to have red days. You're going to have bad days. You're going to have good days. But the only thing that you can do here, the only constant is you got to just keep on showing up. You got to keep just doing it, man. I know it's frustrating. I know trading is the hardest fucking thing on this planet. Because guess what? Like, I do it with you, right? Like, I understand. I'm not sitting here in hindsight telling you. I'm like, fuck. You know, it's frustrating because you get the like fake out, you get the chop, and then it goes up 100 points, right? It ain't fun, but it's just kind of the story, you know. It's just how it goes. Are we gonna pump higher here? Fuck. I really hate chasing this. I really hate chasing it, but I feel like there is more room to the upside here. It is 1020. If it was like 1045, maybe I would try a long here, but I don't know. I've been wrong before. Got to go at least 680. Yeah, I mean, the overnight high is 680, right? So, yeah, Nvidia is pulling back, filling the gap right now. Let's be patient. We pushed up into some resistance for now, so you can see how nice, well, I wouldn't say how nice, but you can see how that 5-minute chart, you know, we pushed out of the 15-minute range. We started to form some support there, and then we got that continuation to the upside. So that's why we don't be trying them shorts down there. Don't be trying them shorts down here. Where's my target to the upside? You've got basically, if you play it like this, right? You've got the opening range. You got 50% of the opening range and then 100% of the opening range. Wow, look at that pullback. Good thing we did not get long up there. Like we just said, like, hey, maybe I'm going to chase this. And I said, no, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, Jet. Hold on. How's my Ethereum? Dude, Ethereum, why will it not move? I've been holding Ethereum now for like the last couple of weeks, and it has been just stuck. It's just been stuck there. Do something, cryptocurrency. Do something. If anybody wants to get crazy and trade crypto, don't forget about Warbucks. That's right, Warbucks BTC. You can trade crypto. You can trade equities. You can trade everything this is always Warbucks. But some big payouts coming out. We got the giveaways always going down there at Warbucks daily. But you got a couple different accounts. You got crypto, you got equities. You can trade top stocks like Nvidia, Tesla, SpaceX, all that for as little as $36. No activation fee. That's a one-time fee. $36 over there at Warbucks right now. No code needed. And you can kind of add on some of the little little thingy-majiggies and all that. So, crypto and equities live, warbucksbtc.com. We got instant funding. We've got the equities one-step account. We've got instant light. This is a $50 account to be instantly funded. And the minimum payout threshold is $100. So, $50 to pretty much double your money there, obviously, you know, possibly. Wow. Nasdaq is pulling back here. Nvidia is really kind of accelerating to the downside right now. Nvidia pulling back. We got the ES pulling back here. So you gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. The chop is real. Right back down. Let's go. We filled the gap. We got the level that we wanted. And now just kind of see what happens. So Warbucks, check them out. warbucksbtc.com. Who knows? Maybe in the future we'll roll out futures at Warbucks. Maybe. You never know. The problem is there's already so many companies who do futures, so it's like, do I really want to, do I really want to compete against all these other companies? Just kind of like let them do that, let them do what they do. Let them do what they do. Trade-Evate has stock futures now. Yeah, no, I know. Can you trade gold with Warbucks? You cannot trade gold. We're working on that, actually. You can see some of the payouts that we've had. 7,000, 12,000. So, yeah, we're trying to add like gold and then add Nasdaq and then like the ES. Do like perps. Be like the perps account. All right, so Tradeify got my payout. I got my payout here. Let me see if I can pull up the payout. See if I can log into my account and pull up the payout. I'll probably just buy some more crypto with my payout. You know what I mean? Buy some more crypto with my payout. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I've pretty much just been buying crypto. Every time I get a payout, I just buy more crypto. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I feel like it's better than buying, or well, better than just spending it on some stupid shit like a Pokemon card, you know? Pokemon card. Looks like the payout is not in my Rise account just yet, but we'll see what happens later on. Kind of just holding up right there, huh? Nvidia kind of bouncing. I'm trying to figure out, like, is this a short setup or is this a bounce to go higher? What do you think, chat? I think if we can get back above 620, maybe. I want to like see some wicks, like basically break above 620 and then like a wick down. Right now, this is kind of looking bearish. Nvidia is really just kind of selling back down there. Moving back to the VWAP, yeah, makes sense. We'll try a quick short here. Not the best entry. I'm gonna add there on that pushback up. We took a short like this yesterday and got like 100 points on this kind of setup where we're getting stuck there at that EMA. So let's see if we print. Nope. Chop. Oh God. Right back down. Chop is real. All right, I'm out of that for now. Just kind of chopping around there. Now it'll probably dump. This is some of the times where I'm like, I wish I just trade micros, but then obviously you don't make as much money. Yeah, the longs again, kind of just chopping around there. We're right there at yesterday's close, that dotted line kind of holding us down right now, so. Yeah, the Nasdaq right now flirting with being green on the day. Flirting with it. And there you go, right back up. Statistics say that we take the IB high at 667. Statistics. Sir, I don't know what that means. I don't know what a statistic is, but I like it. I do like it. I never went to college, so I never learned about no statistics. I never learned about no statistics. Yep, and there goes the pump. How's the heli? Heli's good, man. How's your heli? How's your heli doing, bro? Guys, ask about my... You don't ask another man about his heli, boy. That's like asking another man to have sex with his wife. You don't do that. You keep that heli to yourself. It's my heli, not your heli. Do you eat breakfast? No. Do I look like some bitch? Guy asked me if I eat breakfast. What do I look like? What do I look like? Some baby back bitch who would eat fucking yogurt for breakfast? No, sir. I wake up, smoke 5 joints, drink a fucking Red Bull. Fucking get the party started. Fucking over here eating fucking granola and fucking yogurt for breakfast. Sir. Tell me you're gay without telling me you're gay. You look like you eat a lot of bacon. Not really. But maybe. I mean, I don't. Maybe like a bacon burger or something. I don't know. I don't eat like a lot of just bacon. Slabs of bacon. Well, this is another good example, right? Don't try to fucking fade the trend. Right? We try to get short there. Obviously, that was a bad idea. It pumps higher now. So... the trend is your friend. Don't go against the statistics, Junior. Statistics. Do you actually get lit before getting on the market? I don't even get high anymore, to be honest. Like my tolerance is so high. Like I can smoke. I could smoke like a fucking 20-gram joint and still be chilling. To be honest. Not that I condone smoking marijuana, but I could. Okay, I could. Nothing like a little sunrise joint. You know? Nothing like a little sunrise joint in the morning. You wake up. By the way, marijuana is legal in California, so don't be like, Patrick, you can't smoke and trade. I said, well, maybe I can. They don't say nothing. There ain't no rules saying that you can't smoke marijuana and trade, okay? Ain't nobody got that rule. All right, well, looking a little nasty up here. Little Chop City. Block 70 said, I tried that whole trend is your friend thing. There are times to counter trade. I mean, yeah. It's not that, like, I think what happens is, right, if you follow the trend, you stick with the trend, it doesn't mean, right, that like you have to trade every move. What I think it really means is that like you just kind of, you're only looking to follow the trend. So you're either looking for a long or you're looking for a short, and you might not get it, right? Like the long setup might be more of a short setup, so you don't take it. Not every single trade, not every single move in the market will you know, require a trade. So I think that's kind of the idea, right? Like right now, like, yeah, is it a short? Sure, maybe, but it doesn't mean that I have to take a trade. Well, if I'm looking at the overall trend, mentally, I'm like, okay, I want to see a pullback for me to get long, right? That's more of what I'd say. Whereas if I get short right here, is it going to continue straight down? Yeah, maybe. But I think just like mentally, you kind of just relax more because you're like, oh, you know, it's pulling back. The trend is up. So I would want to just kind of wait for a long setup, right? Instead of trying to force a trade just because, oh, it's a short, oh, it's a long. And I used to do that a lot, right? I would try to trade every little fucking peak and every little candle. You know, so right now, obviously, we took a short there earlier. We got stopped out, and there it goes. It's pulling back. It kind of just is what it is, you know. Somebody said that I have no idea what I'm talking about. I mean, I guarantee I've made more money. I've made more money trading than you've ever made. The guy who said I don't know what I'm talking about. I guarantee it. Some guy named Henry. For some reason, my haters always have weird names. Like Henry 66410. That's actually ICT's account. You make money with affiliation, that is all. I make money with affiliation, that is all? Does this money count? I got the payouts today. Does that count? I mean, I only make money as an affiliate? Does that count? Is that real or is that fake? You know, I only make money as an, it's like, I don't, like, I do it live. So, I mean, at the end of the day, you know, we do it live. So, I mean, it's like, you know, I mean, what else could I do? You know, what else could I do, man? What else could I do? What else could I do? What else could I do? I mean, I beat the guy trading. I beat the guy that beat everybody else trading. So, I mean, is it a scam? Am I a scam? Do I have no idea what I'm doing? I mean, I don't know. I don't really know. So, Henry, again, Henry, you can say whatever you want, but here you are, man. You're watching. You know? You're here watching. Right now, Nasdaq pumping back up here. Look at that pump. Are the bulls gonna go one more time? We want D Money. He's a real trader, not a gambler. Henry, do you think, Henry, hey, Henry, can I ask you a question? Henry, do you think that D Money never blows accounts? Do you truly think that? I'm just wondering if you think that, because I want to know how fucking retarded you are. Exactly. D Money's a real trader. If D-Money was a real trader, he wouldn't work for me. You've never seen him blow an account. Yeah, because he doesn't show you. You fucking retards. God. PW, that's what I hate about you. Well, then go fuck yourself, Prod Sun Swift. It's not shitting on D-Money. It's just the fact. At the end of the day, everyone thinks that D-Money never blows accounts. He blows accounts. Let him blow accounts. Like, I'm not saying it's wrong, but don't act like he fucking doesn't blow accounts and I'm a terrible trader. Nasdaq trying to push back up here. Kind of holding up there. You're not a signal service, but D-Money would have called the 14 EMA bounce. Oh, God. You guys are cooked. You guys are actually cooked. There's a big difference between calling something and trading it, right? I could also sit here and go, guys, look, oh my God, we bounced. Oh my God, we got stuck. Oh my God, we went to the highs. Calling it and trading it is very, very different. All right, very, very different. And Nasdaq right back down. You got the VWAP there as well, 29,500. Will we bounce to the 29,500? We will see. Kind of holding up there for now, going nowhere. This music right now, I gotta go. I need some more focus music. More focus music. I'm trying to get another trade in here. We got going into that 11 o'clock candle coming up. Obviously, the hourly candle close. If we look hourly candle right now, you got a big wick on the top. Big wick on the top. Big wick on the last hourly candle. Are we gonna just end up having a big kind of doji fuck fest here? We'll see. We'll see. Patrick, read the Spanish message. Where? I can't read the Spanish. I mean, like I already said it. When I'm back in Florida, I'm gonna go back to Florida in September. Me and D-Money are gonna go head to head. And when D-Money loses, he's out on the streets. And then if he wins, he's also out on the streets. So the chat wants it. The chat wants D-Money to battle me. That's fine. But it's going to be awkward. Because I will win. I will win. There is no losing from me. There is no losing. D-Money don't gamble. What are you talking about? It's always a gamble. Every trade is a gamble, man. Every single trade is a gamble. It's all a gamble. It's all a gamble, man. What are you talking about? He will start his own stream. No, he won't. D-Money got a non-compete. D-Money can't ever start his own. D-Money got a 2-year non-compete. So he can't start his new stream. So, sucks to suck. Welcome to business, baby. Has D-Money agreed to battle you? Yes. We're doing it. Are you going to fire him if he loses? Duh. If he don't beat me, he's getting fired. What? This guy. Bruce Evans said trading, gambling, and indentureship are largely the same game. What's indentureship? This is some gay music too. Where's the good music at? No. Oh, fuck. Rumo is long. Time to get short. This guy Rumo, he just like every day in the chat, just like he'll call out some trade. It's hilarious. And then the market goes exactly the opposite. The market goes exactly the opposite. Every fucking time, man. Every time. It's hilarious. There's a bazooka on the way. Bazooka Tuka. We got 10 minutes here. Hourly candle to close. I do like these longs. I wish Rumo didn't say it was a long, because now I'm afraid to go long, because every time he says it fucking does exactly the opposite, but. Fuck. Do we play or do we fade, Rumo? Do you pay him much? Who? Do I pay D-Money a lot of money? Yeah, no. Yeah, I pay D-Money way more than what he makes from trading. 29,600. Right there, buddy boy. If we pull back to 580 and get a little, give me a little wick off 580, I might try a long here. There's that little pullback. Can we get a little wick here? A little bit more. Come on, get that like 580 tap. There you go. I want to see a wick here. Do we get a wick? Got 30 seconds on this candle. Got a little wick forming. But not see. It's not like it's not getting that good reaction there off that EMA right now. Not got that good reaction yet. Who was the first to join the BDH? Me? I was the first. I created the BDH. I am the BDH. I am the BDH. Who said he made $1 million from trading last year? Who said that? What does Ginger look like? Like Daphne from Scooby-Doo. Yeah, Denny came first. No, sorry. Fucking D-Money was first at the BDH. D-Money did not say he made $1 million last year from trading. There's no fucking way he said that. Yeah, he did not say that. Oh, Ginger was first. Oh, sorry. Ginger wants credit for being the first person to join the BDH. First woman to join the BDH. I'm looking for a long, possibly. It's like I think we're gonna get some kind of move out of this area. Was D-Money talking about his salary? I mean, I don't know all of his numbers, but I don't think he said he made $1 million, so. Ginger doesn't have any interest in trading. Oh yeah, she has some SpaceX stock. Ginger has SpaceX stock. Are you still holding SpaceX, Ginger? Are you still? Why would you not get short? Well, I mean, the reason I wouldn't get short right here is just because, well, we got all this support down here for now. It doesn't mean that it can't go lower, but I don't know. I just wouldn't short right here. The trend is still up. It's the same thing as earlier, right? Look at that. Again, pumping. I'm going to try a long here. Stop is right below that. See if we get some push out of here. I won't go for much. Oh, sorry. Sorry, chat. I didn't mean to do it that quick. I did not mean to do it that quick. I'm sorry. I'm apologies. That was not my fault. That was 20 points. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, chat. PW sold his SpaceX to Ginger at 220. Fuck. Sorry, Ginger. Ginger was buying the top. Ginger said she put her whole entire life savings in SpaceX. I didn't pull a D-Money. I showed the entry and the exit. I did not pull a D-Money right there. What are you talking about? I had this open the whole time. And I said I was looking for a long. I literally said I was looking for a long that whole entire time. So don't even try to be like, you didn't show us. Blip says, it's crazy. D-Money backs you when chat fucks off about you when you ain't around. Definitely not reciprocated. I mean, what have I said about D-Money that's bad? I think it's very clear. If I didn't like D-Money, he wouldn't have a job. So I don't know what, like, all I do is speak truths. That's all I've said. I said I'm a better trader than D-Money. That's the truth. That's not me. He would say the same thing. So what do you want me to do? When people in the chat say that D-Money is better than me, what have I said wrong? You think D-Money is a real trader? What if D-Money is a real trader, I'm a fake trader? Am I a fake trader? All right, well, there you go. That is from the 85s up there to the 620s now. D-Money watched me live on YouTube for 2 years. There you go. Nice little pump here going into this hourly candle close. Wow, like I said, no reason to get short down there. Hey, where's the guy Henry at? Hey, I want to show something here, right? I want to show something. Where did Henry go? The guy that has been talking shit all morning about how D-Money is a better trader than me. Where did Henry go? Where did he go? He was... I like this part. I like this part. He says D-Money don't do affiliation. You do know that D-Money gets paid by me from the affiliation. You know that, right? D-Money makes money from the code PW. You do know that, you fucking moron. D-Money's not an affiliate. What? How do you think he gets paid? What are you talking about? Where did that guy... He was talking about shorting. It don't pump. It's a retracement to go lower. So I just want people to see that the idiots in the chat who think they know what they're talking about, they don't. They don't. This guy's talking about getting short down there, and the market just pumped up fucking 100 points. So there you go. The same guy who is saying that D-Money is the best trader ever literally just got fucked. So, God. And by the way, I love D-Money. I like making fun of D-Money. That's a BDH, baby. This ain't the little dick house. We like to have a little bit of fun. But would I whoop D-Money's ass? 100%. No doubt about it. No doubt about it, chat. No doubt about it. Life of Hanny says, why are you bragging about offering a job? What? I'm bragging about offering a job? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with offering? I can't be proud of that? I built a business that I have fucking 20 employees. I mean, that's pretty crazy. I literally built a business around a YouTube channel that I created 10 years ago that now has 20 employees. I mean, that's pretty fucking sick. Nasdaq still pumping here. You got 30 seconds. Look at this. Go, go, go. The high from earlier, 667. 640s right now. This hourly candle about to close. So, still pumping. There you go. Going for new highs, basically. Can we get a continuation here, or is this going to be a lot of chop up here? I'm going to try a quick long here. I might add if we pull back a little bit more, but I'll just take like a quick 20, 15 maybe. I am long, I am long, I am long. That's 10 points. Looking for maybe a little bit more now. Damn it, 10 points was the play. It's a little overextended, but I was thinking we could get a little bit more push just on this new hourly candle here. We'll see. I might try to add like down here 640s or so. Elevator down now? I hope not. I truly hope not. But maybe. 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 I'm going to add right there a 640 and see if we're going to pop back up out of here now. Nvidia is kind of selling down here, so depending on how this starts to move, I might just jump out quickly for like a quick little profit, depending on how this starts moving here. I want to see it back above 660s quick. I don't like that, like getting stuck right there. So this candle needs to pump through there quick. All right, like I said, I'm looking to take quick profit here, guys. This is just kind of stuck now, so we'll see if we can get back in the green here to get out. Back above 660s, possibly. Nvidia is just kind of pulling back here hard right now. Damn it. I can't control the whole market, chat. We're still holding up there 640s. This needs to go. This needs to go here. Might be more pullback before. Fuck. Got to get one more try here for a bounce off that EMA. Not looking good. Fuck. She's right back down. Just gave it all back, didn't it? Fuck me. Just an absolute reversal. She's gone. Yeah, Nvidia's fucked. This whole thing's fucked. God damn it. Stopped out there. Nvidia just fell off a cliff right now. Look at this. Like, are you kidding me? Look at Nvidia right now. Nvidia just dropping like a rock right now. Dropping like a rock there. You gotta love the Nasdaq sometimes. It's gonna be literally my bottom of the trade right there. Watch. Are they gonna bounce it right off 700 now? 600 now. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me, dude. That's not real life. That's not real life. That's not real life. Chat. This is not real life. This is not fucking real life. Like, how in the fuck? Like, the fact that we literally got stopped out, right? God motherfucking damn it. That's crazy work. Crazy work, man. God damn it. This is a 1 minute chart, yeah. Yeah, this has happened. This is like the third time this has happened today. Just getting too aggressive, sizing wise. Like, That's crazy work. So the other accounts got stopped out at 6:02, literally at 6:02. This account is still printing. Fuck, man. Just nothing you can do about it. You know? Someone said be more humble. Yeah, no. Suck my dick. It has nothing to do with being humble or not. It's just the market. Like, I took a trade and clearly fucking oversized. I mean, there's nothing else. There's nothing. It's not about my feelings. It's not about being humble. It's not about being anything. It's just, we took a trade. We had an idea and it didn't work. So, I mean, it's just, that's all it is. There's nothing more to it. I'm not a retard. I'm not an idiot. I'm not bad at trading. It's just, clearly we took a trade. It didn't work. And that's all it is. So, ugh. What is my success rate? 0%. 0% success. If I would have traded with only micros a day, only micros, literally nothing but micros today, I would have never had one losing trade. But that wouldn't be as fun to watch, would it? That would not be as fun to watch on YouTube, would it? Right? Nobody wants to see me only make $500. They want to see me make 1,000 million. I mean, it's just shitty luck, man. Shitty fucking luck there. So stupid. He's losing trades on purpose. You truly think that? You truly think that I lose trades on purpose? My ego is way too big to lose trades on purpose. You know? My ego, my ego is way too fucking big to want to ever lose on purpose. If I was in a boxing match and they paid me $100 million to take a dive, I wouldn't be able to take a dive because my ego is too big. Can you explain why it would have been different with micros? Well, I could have just weathered these pullbacks more. You know, this was only, you think about it, only like a 40-point pullback. Right? I mean, it seems like a big pullback, but I mean, we never broke the previous 5-minute candle low. So, I mean, the trade, let's think about it like this. I'm taking a prop right there, by the way. Let's just think about it like this, right? Realistically, let's say if you're trading like a breakout here, your stop realistically is valid until down here, right? Like truly, like your stop is valid here, you know? But obviously when you're trading with larger size, you just can't hold that 100-point plus stop. No thanks. I mean, where would be a logical stop here? Like you tell me where would be a logical stop. If you got long at this breakout, where would be a logical stop? Wait for the next candle. What next candle? What's the next candle? I know, but I'm saying, like, think about it. Like, this is realistically this is a logical stop. You know, like that's logical. Because if you're like, we break out here, like, yeah, it's a big stop, but that would be like if you're following the trend, that would be where you'd want to fucking put your stop at. That's the way I look at it. I mean, I don't know. I mean, even like, yeah. I mean, if you're long here, your stop, you can't put your stop right here. You can't put your stop right here. So where would be the like that would be a logical stop. I mean, and even then, your problem is, you know, you got the VWAP down here. So I don't know. I mean, that's just kind of what I'm seeing. I mean, it's not about the point of like being right or wrong. It's just that if you're going to be trading the trend, you know, you want to kind of have a stop loss that makes sense. Obviously, today we have very large candles. So, I mean, it's just, that's technically, I believe that's how you should trade. So, hourly chart, we pushed right up there to the pivot point. They're on the hourly chart for now, so. I mean, these 5-minute candles today, they're just kind of wacky. You know, a lot of like crossover, a lot of chop on these 5-minute candles. And on a day like today, you know, with the wrong sizing, you're gonna get fucked. So, what are your thoughts on trading counter trend? I don't have thoughts on it. It's a terrible idea. So, such is life. Such is life, chat. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Nvidia is still selling down. Maybe Nasdaq's going to chop around here longer. I don't know. So. They say the trend is your friend, but it hasn't been friendly. Well, I would say, you know, you just gotta fucking size down, right? I mean, look, it's still pumping. I took some profit there. I mean, the crazy part is, look, I mean, we got stopped out down there at 600, and then it ramped up 80 points right after we got stopped out on that trade. So it's just the nature of the beast. Nature of the beast. Wouldn't you prefer to pyramid a big trade with micros? I don't know, man. Everybody, it's always like, oh, you know, coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? coulda, shoulda, woulda, maybe, coulda, do this, do that, try this, do this. You know, it's always like a million different ideas. There's days where, you know, hey, when, just like, what was it? The day on Monday or on Tuesday. I mean, on a day like Tuesday, you could just get long and it didn't really matter. You know, I mean, we got long at open on Tuesday and we just kept getting long all day long. So I'm currently long, obviously now pulling back again, 600s. Nvidia making new lows, so Nasdaq just kind of stuck here for now. Yeah, I mean, I traded micros a couple weeks back and everybody was like making fun of me for being gay. So then I couldn't trade micros anymore. Why did everybody make fun of me for? Matt said, are we going to get out of the trade, dude? Matt, I mean, I don't know what you're doing. Are you going to get out of the trade? I don't know. I'm not your fucking daddy. It's pulling back, so yeah, I mean, it's not fucking looking too good again. Just right back down. Chop chop city. Don K, you cannot hold equities with Warbucks overnight. You can only trade crypto overnight, not equities, not stocks. Yeah, I mean, Nvidia is just kind of bleeding out here, back below the close from previous day. Nasdaq's just chopping around here. So, typical middle of the day price action. We had a big pump at open, you know, so. And I mean, you got to think too, I think a lot of people don't give me credit. Right, I don't think a lot of people give me credit because I do take a lot of trades, right? I mean, took a lot of trades a day, and it's like if I have a losing trade, everybody forgets about the winning trade, and it's like, oh, damn, you know, like if you want to get the winner, sometimes you're gonna get the losers too, you know, that's just part of it. So, why do you not only promote Warbucks? Why? Why not only promote Warbucks? What does that mean? Connor, because you don't own, well, I'm a 50% owner of Warbucks. We promote Warbucks all the time. What are you talking about? It's all over my t-shirt every day, bro. Literally every day. I wear a Warbucks shirt every fucking day. What do you mean I don't promote it? We use Tradeovate for trading. futures. Why does he just promote Warbucks and not promote other companies? I mean, we got thousands of people watching. I think, you know, there's plenty of room for everybody. Plenty of room for everybody, my friend. PW, are you thinking about late night tonight? No. ES is pulling back. Nasdaq's pulling back. I mean, it's just kind of like stuck here now. So, not really much to do. ES is now turned red on the day. So, ES down there, 7,740 area. That 750 area was kind of holding, but we lost that. So, gotta see what happens here. It's kind of chopping. Jabbing here. Japping. Charlie Chappin. Charlie Choppin. It's Charlie Choppin here. What's tomorrow gonna look like? Fuck if I know. Tomorrow's Friday. Last day of the week to blow some accounts, baby. Hey. Last day of the week, blow some accounts. God damn it. Hey. Fuck. Yeah, this is not looking very hot right now, obviously. It's kind of stuck. What do you do after you finish trading? Today, I'm going to go and work on my new racing workshop. We got to get ready for a race next week, so we got a lot of logistics to figure out, just kind of doing random shit, getting trucks ready, making sure everything's prepped for the race. Little reaction there on that 600 level again. You got 15-minute candles that we're looking at right now. It's kind of a battle here. The bears, the bulls, the bears. Nvidia is like bear flagging. But you never know with Nvidia. Just all of a sudden fucking rip your face off, go straight up. If the ES can hold the lows, maybe. Back up 750 area on the ES. Nasdaq maybe starts to push again. $1 million question, like always. Yeah, Nvidia, a little bit of a little pop on Nvidia for now, but looks like the ES is kind of holding up there. Nasdaq's like right there. bear flagging on like the smaller time frame. Kind of hold it up there. Hold it up there for now. Weird little setup here. Let's see, if this candle starts to wick right back down again, I might try to short back down to the VWAP. But see, look, that's what now, yeah, pumps right back up. Back above that EMA again. The moment of truth, up or down, no one really knows. What do you call bear flagging? Well, when it kind of moves down like this and then starts to kind of form a flag, right? It's like a bear flag. Kind of like on this trend here or whatever you want to call it. Kind of a bear flag, right? Kind of the pole, the flag. Still just like not very convinced. Are we going short? No, not yet. Can't really, it's just like right there, holding on. I want to see some rejection, like that right there is good. If we can reject off at 620s and come back down here, maybe. How does Nvidia correlate to the Nasdaq? Is that a real question? Is that a real question? Did you just ask how the Nasdaq and Nvidia are correlated? Oh Lord. Oh Lord, we're cooked, chat. We are cooked. We are absolutely cooked today. Absolutely cooked. Why did you get a helicopter versus a jet? Because a jet can't land in the middle of the fucking desert, idiot. God, imagine asking somebody, why did you buy a helicopter? Why did you get a helicopter instead of a jet? Because a jet can't land in the middle of fucking Mexico. All right? What the fuck are you talking about? I like that rejection here. I just don't, like, are we going to actually go? Let's try a short. Be targeting, like, these previous lows down there. Or just chop. Got the VWAP. The VWAP's at like 520s. Right? VWAP's at 520. Nvidia is like not looking hot at all. So if Nvidia starts to dump here, Nasdaq should sell as well. So I'm looking at that bear flag on Nvidia right now. I'm looking at the ES looking weak as well. I'm looking at the Nasdaq here. It should sell. So let's see. I'm going to put a stop here, break even at this point, just in case it wants to chop around. Fuck it. But still looking for that 30 area, that previous low down there. Someone said, PW, I'm long. All right, well, that's good. Don't get stopped out. Nice, nice. I'll take one right there, and then we're going to follow that. This has been a lot of chop around this area, so I'd rather just like make sure I lock in this profit here. And we can still got plenty of room to the downside there, so. I won't even ask for W's because, well, you already know we winning. Do you ever take D-Money in the helicopter? No, D-Money has not been in the helicopter. He's afraid of heights. Ask him. He said he won't go in the helicopter. He's scared. PW, I'm looking for a 430 point short. Am I cooked? You might be cooked. We'll see. All right, so the nice thing is, like I said, we've already moved our stop into the money. So that's at least 13 points guaranteed. But if it's going to chop around here, let it chop around. Let it stop it out, whatever. Like, there's no point in letting this trade go back up and then holding through more drawdown or anything like that. So yeah, like see that instant push right back up. Kind of just is what it is. We're just in this consolidation zone, middle of the day here, so. The nice thing is, like I said, it's a free trade at this point. We can't lose. Yeah, I have a full-time pilot. I have a full-time pilot for the helicopter. He's on payroll full-time. This was a nice little trade here either way. Nice little trade here either way, my friends. I'll take it. If we crash through the 40s, I'll move my stop to the 60s. Right? Just in case we're gonna like keep going, might as well try to maximize it. So I want to see the 40s break here. We'll bounce there at the 40s from earlier, so. I'm trying to maximize my potential here, my potential profit. All right, I'm going to move my stop here to 72. That at least guarantees 20 points, kind of trailing this down. Like I said, it's kind of in this chop zone here now. So Nvidia is still selling down. ES is kind of chopping. Yeah, there we go. We're chopped out for now. So that's just kind of how it is, middle of the day here. Now, yeah, now it's going to fucking... But I'm fine with that. Could have been maybe greedier to hold it, but... Kind of is what it is. Do you ever want to get your pilot license? Not really. Dude, Connor. Dude, who the fuck is Connor? This guy just got... He asked just like 21 million questions about nothing. I'm gonna fucking... Sorry, Connor. You gotta go, bro. Connor's out of here. Get this guy out of here. Get the guy out of here, man. Yeah, it's just kind of all over the place. When is the Baja 1000? That'll be November, I believe. Patrick, any Hawaii surf spot recommendations? David G, are you a kook? Like, how are you good at surfing or are you terrible at surfing? That'll help with the recommendation. You're beginner? Oh yeah, you're fucked. I would go to like Waikiki. You'll be fine. Go to Waikiki, bro. Have a good time. Don't go anywhere else because you're gonna get cooped. Don't go to Waianae. Definitely don't go to fucking... Don't go to the North Shore. Don't go to fucking... Don't go West Side. Don't go West Side. You'll get fucking raped. Yeah, go to Waikiki. You'll be fine. Yeah, go to Makaha. What you should do is, you should go buy you a board at Costco, right? And then you should go to Makaha. And you should paddle out there, go up to the biggest Hawaiian that is out there and say, "What up, fucka?" Okay? If you truly do that, actually, I'm kidding. Don't do that. You're going to get killed. All right? Whatever you do, don't do it. If you see some big-ass Hawaiian and he's paddling towards you, paddle the opposite direction as fast as possible. Sometimes they won't even talk to you. They just got to punch you in the face. Oh, dude, that fucking video of the guy that made the fucking white guy, the Hallie, he slept him and then he woke him up. That was hilarious. Is there a video of that online? Dude, it was so good. Like, that was a fucking hilarious video. Man, what was how do I find that video? On Twitter, maybe. Oh, yeah, I found it. Look at this guy. Dude, it's so good. Guy was cooped out. Oh, I gotta turn this off for a second. This is too good. The dude's got his fucking skateboard. And the best part is, this is a Democrat. This is a libtard. This guy is literally he's a fucking Hawaiian Democrat congressional candidate. This is a fucking politician, by the way.
Just go.
What are you gonna do?
Don, go
So
ahead.
funny, dude.
Am I?
Don't,
I
hey,
didn't fucking put him in the ground.
when you're in
I didn't put
Hawaii,
him
don't
in the
ask
ground.
somebody what you gonna do, because they're gonna do
I
something.
can't. All right.
Oh, you're gonna hit women now.
Let's go, bro.
Go ahead.
Oh man, he gets
Let him
absolutely.
have it.
First off, what is he wearing?
Mike,
All right, good. It's over. It's over.
He's a child.
I'm a child. I'm 40 fucking years old.
I'm 40 fucking years old. Bruh, what is so funny? Fucking look at him. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Chair thrower.
Got him. Got him.
Wake up.
Wake up,
Wake up.
Holly.
Yeah. What you fucking about, Holly boy? Yeah? Try to stay right here.
So good. So good, man. He's just, what? What
Done?
happened?
You done?
The Hawaiian guy's like, you done or what? Hey, only in Hawaii will they fucking knock you out and then also bring you back. You know, you got to give them respect for that, you know? You got to give them some respect for that part. You know, it's like, right here, right? And just soft him.
Oh, shit.
Chair thrower.
He's like, wake up.
Wake up. Wake up. Yeah. What you fucking about, Holly boy? Yeah? Try to stay right here.
Oh, so good. There was another video where where'd the other video go? Why is it? I'm trying to find, how do I find that fucking video? God. Oh, I think maybe I can search his name. There was an actual video where the other Hawaiian guy just absolutely rocks him. This is the guy.
Luku Friday employees. Investigator.
Put your bag away, bro. Put your bag away.
Put your bag away.
What
Oh
are
yeah.
you gonna do? Fucking put him in the ground.
Hit women now.
Let's go, bro.
He's like, let's go, bro.
Let him
Do
have
it,
it.
motherfucker.
Let's go, bro.
All right, good. It's over. It's over.
He's a child.
Oh man, they keep cutting out the good parts.
Oh, shit.
Chair thrower.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Bro, that's a big Hawaii. That's a big fucking dude too. That knocked. Look at this guy.
Oh, shit.
Chair.
That's a big boy.
Chair.
Oh, shit.
Chair thrower.
Oh, shit.
Chair thrower.
That's a big boy right there. Oh man. I don't know. I'll tell you. I lived in Hawaii for a long time, and yeah, no, it's, you don't want to fuck around because the Hawaiians don't really give a fuck. They live on an island and they don't really give a fuck. They just don't really give a fuck, to be honest. It, like, look at this guy. This guy's like, sit your ass down. This is where they actually like fight some. I mean, the Hawaiian guy, I don't know what he was kind of getting all crazy. But.
Oh, shit.
Chair thrower.
Got him. Man, Nasdaq are ripping back up here. What just happened? There's a ripping back up here. Democrat or Republican, remember, they all the same. Don't care about you. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. So big pump back up. Big pump back up. I would say overall, it was, you know, it was, one of those days. One of those days, man. Overall, one of those days. So, not good, not bad, not just kind of a overall flat day. We did get the payout secured with Tradeify, so that's always nice to get a little payout. Get that done, obviously. So, excited about that, happy about that at least. And now we'll be back tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday. So right now, just kind of like holding up there. Look at that, pumped right back up. And that kind of goes back with the idea, right, with the following the trend. Yes, there was a few little shorts here and there, but overall, buying the dip today would have paid much more than, you know, fucking around with it. So that's all I got. Back up there to the previous day close as well. So one more Pokemon? Nah, I don't want to do a Pokemon. I got to go. I got things to do. People to see. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. D-Money at 12. PW tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. And then next week, I got bad news. Next week, I will not be here. I got to be working. I got to spend next week working on the new office in the West Coast. It's going to take me some time. We get some painting done in there. Set up all the computers. Get everything all fired up. So that way you guys are all excited for a fun week. So I got Lucas flying into California on the 16th, and he's going to be trading with me for like 2 weeks straight in California, kind of like a little mini mentorship. So it'll be a lot of fun. But the good thing is, you still got me tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday, baby. That office has no windows in the pictures. Yes, you do understand that that this is a live stream. We can't have windows in the live stream. Windows don't work. You want a closed area for lighting and for everything. So there's just no reason to have windows. The windows are no good. The windows make it no good. So that's why if you're gonna have a studio for streaming, you can't have any windows. Ventilation, yeah, it's called AC. The BDH has no windows either. Patrick, in hindsight, that was a decent VWAP bounce. I mean, yeah, maybe in hindsight. So, yeah, I mean, like I said, the problem is when you're streaming, you can't have windows because the windows change the lighting throughout the day. So that's why we stream like in a closed room, because the lighting. You want the lighting to look good. You don't want like a sunlight. You don't want a window over here hitting you. It's all about light control, and you also want it quiet as well. It's hard to get the, get that going there. What are your VWAP settings? Just normal VWAP settings. Normal. Just the normal VWAP settings. Normally normal. It's a normal VWAP settings. Because I want to pick you up, never gonna let you down. Gonna fool around and desert you. Just wanna hurt you, dip. Well, I'm happy that I'm walking away right now because this is some fun. Theta DK said, you got smoked, huh? No, did not get smoked, but thanks for your support watching. I love when people think that I could blow 500 counts a day and still make more money than every single person in this industry. So there is no losing here. It's only winning, chat. It's red day win, green day win, red day win, green day. It's all winning. There is no winning. There's no losing. There is no losing. I cannot lose. Okay. Well, there it is. D-Money comes up here in the next 5 minutes. Right now, the Nasdaq, Chop City. We are in this range here. Would you get short right here? Maybe. I mean, ES kind of sold over. Nasdaq sold over. Or, I mean, NVIDIA is selling over. Down there to the VWAP, maybe. Maybe back down there to the 450s. Never gonna pick you up, never gonna let you down. I'll never, ever desert you. That's right, chat. I'm here for you every day. So if you guys have not tuned in to the D-Money show, that happens at 12 o'clock. And then you've got Denny at 6 o'clock. So shout out to all the homies in the chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday. Right now, the Nasdaq is kind of holding up here. Back to the VWAP now. Ding, 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 ding. Kind of a, I guess you could also say it's kind of a, head and shoulders. Maybe some more pullback down there to the 15-minute range opening. Hourly candle right now. They lose that previous low was 488. So, Iran news just dropped. Oh, God. Oh, God. Always some Iran news. Iran. You ran, I ran. Me ran, you ran. I ran, you ran. We got the ran. So, hopefully, at some point in time, there will be some peace in the Middle East. You know, hopefully. At some point, it's going to happen, but you never know. You never know. That's it. Another day, another dollar. It was up, it was down. We had a little bit of fun. We had a little bit of loss. Had a little bit of green, a little bit of up, a little bit of down. But overall, we just tried to get it done. And right now, NASDAQ kind of pulling back here at 540. So we got D-Money coming up real soon. If you have not tuned in, well, you're missing out because that boy good. That boy is good. And then if you're bored at night, don't forget about Denny. He's a little self-conscious. You don't want to talk. Don't talk about Denny. Don't ask about his hair. Don't ask him about his hair. All right. He's a little self-conscious. So we got D-Money coming up, and we are out of here. Fresh Cash Friday tomorrow morning. Let's hit it hard tomorrow, boys. Let's hit it hard. Let's get it done. Let's make a little bit of money and do it live on the #1 day trading channel on YouTube. If you have not already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. It's going down in the DM. It's going down on the charts. On the charts. I'll talk to you guys later on. Shout out to all the haters, the lovers, the supporters, everybody out there. We love you. We want you. We need more of you. So I will talk to you all later on.